Okay, so we are finished printing. We're going to go into the back. We're going to open this up. And open the hat. Here's our print. It looks nice. What's this? And here we have our washing machine. Open. And the thing I like about this FormLabs washing machine is that this thing slides right in the back. So it looks nice and secure. So I'm going to go ahead and do it. And that's just how we do.